Benfica 1 and Liverpool 3. And Miguel got Piro make on tell us about how he see this game. With this result, I got Piro. I just see and say smile there body, joy there body. Normally you they happy because now very ogbonge result, ogbonge performance on Liverpool also. And with this result, it be like say Liverpool don't get one leg for the semi-final of the UEFA Champions League. Oga Piro, now how you see Liverpool performance today?
The performance today was excellent. Every part of the game today, from back to front,
Mm,
then just they very, very compact. Now, the first half was a classic Liverpool, which I never see for the last 3 to 4 games. Liverpool,
mm,
they did very well. They come outside, they were picking the second balls, they were having that pace in attack, and that was exactly what I want from them. They do, and I be waiting. They give us the right deal the first half. They give us that 2-0 score line. So that make I'm even surprised how Benfica, when I know say Benfica na attacking side, they not even come out. They just, because we're playing higher line, so they just decided to
mm.
just peg for back, try to defeat defenders, but
Yeah.
we're able to overcome first half. Second half, they come out. Benfica came out. Salah now, I don't
Mm,
understand Salah this much. I don't know whether the contract talk they affect him. Enough with the trap balls. He was losing too many balls. Mane
mm.
was outstanding. Diaz was fantabulous. And when they change, then they get the second goal in second half. When they get their goal, our coach decided to bring in another Firmino and Jota. He helped us because that's what squad depth do. You understand? Squad depth is the reason why we are still where we are now. And when they came in, the game changed again. He entered our hand back. Before, we look as if they want to score us 2-2. Suddenly, everything turned around and we're able to get, at the last minute, Diaz was able to nick out another one for us, making it 3-1. So now be the one, now that one I be the real deal for today. That goal margin, that 3-1. We cannot go to Anfield, we'll be balanced because you know say we play Man City the other weekend for your FA Cup semi-final. We cannot
Mm.
shuffle our squad when we go to Anfield on Wednesday to play them. So I'm so delighted about the result. The result today, the result is fantabulous.
Okay. I want to ask you about Alexander Arnold. We see the pass when he passed to Luis Diaz, we bring that second goal. And a lot of time, many people they talk say Alexander Arnold are the best right back for the world. You agree with the people when they talk that thing, saying that he be the best right back in position because plenty times some people they talk say he knows Sabi defend, but say he Sabi attack. How you go rate Alexander Arnold in terms of the current right backs them waiting for the world currently for this football?
With what Arnold they do, I can only see somebody in the past doing what Arnold has done, and the person
Mm,
still defend well, which is Danny Alves. Was playing very well, and he knows
mm,
that he played just like the way Arnold they play. But right now, Arnold is the best in the world, defensively, attacking, all round because especially the attacking threats. Liverpool have people to cover back defensively. If you need them, you go see Sian say you go see come back. You go see track come back small. It's not easy to go from the comeback. Yet they see the one. They push up, they push back. So for me, is the best in the world right now. Aside from the Aves, the this guy in Real Madrid, then when they give Ronaldo ball, Marcelo. Apart from all those
mm.
guys, Arnold is now invoked. Is the world best right now in terms of that position, right back.
All right, now real quick, Oga Pero, make we enter inside the player rating. Luis Diaz, make we start from the forwards them. Now, what do you go rate Luis Diaz? We get one of the goals today.
Lose the ass 10.
10 out of 10 today.
Yes.
Okay. One goal, one assist. Sadio Mane, what do you go rate out?
8.
What about Mo Salah?
Musala was behind bar. Was, let me say, 5.
Okay. Thiago Alcantara, now what do you go rate the performance?
6.
Okay, Fabinho Unko.
Firmino 6.
Naby Keita.
Navigator 7.
Um, Robertson.
Robertson 8.
Virgin van Dijk.
Van Dijk 9.
Ibrahim Kanuti.
Konote 9.
Okay, Alexander Arnold.
As usual, it's going to be my 9. It's going to be there. 9.
Alison Becker, uncle.
It was superb. Alison Baker, give him 10.
Okay. Then, all right, now more enter the substitute. Roberto Firmino and Diego Jota. What you go read them?
Jota was good when coming on. He did fantastically well. So
Hmm.
I'll give Jota 8. Firmino stand
Oh,
with my figure before 6.
all right. Now, what about Jordan Anderson?
Anderson just hold the game down. So I'll give him 6.
Joseph Gomez and James Mina. They entered the 89 minutes though, but wait till you go just give them small thing.
When Gomez enter, at least he still try come out and the rest. So I'll give him 4. Mina is there's nobody like Mina when it comes to doing what he wants to do. So I'll give him 5.
All right, now, Oga Piro, make I ask you, this Liverpool team, with the see the way that they play, with the see the Bonge performance where they perform over time, and they did consistent. Liverpool don't already win the Carabao Cup already this season. Liverpool did for the semi-finals of the FA Cup, and with the way they go, it be like say Liverpool get one leg already for the semi-final of the UEFA Champions League. Hmm? And also the Premier League, Liverpool they battle for the Premier League. You think say this team go fit win treble because one they already get one trophy already. You think say this team now go fit win 3 trophies by the end of the season?
Um, we dey take am game by game. We dey take am game by game right now. So not only Man City na be our stumbling block right now. No other person but Man City. We believe that even if we go Champions League final, na Man City will still go meet there. If we go FA Cup final, that means it's okay. We win Chelsea, no problem, or Crystal Palace. There's no fear there. If we are going to win the Premier League, it's the same Man City that is our problem. So next on Sunday game, will really determine. In fact, these 2 weeks coming determine how our season will go. You understand? Now, so we just dey hope say on Sunday we'll be able to get that 3 point, not a point, 3 point from Etihad. By so doing, we can now push forward and continue to the end of the season. But three trophies, the treble is realistic. We are not putting them anyone aside right now. The 3 trophies are realistic, and we will do our best to make sure say we fight for all of them till the end.
All right, now, but how confident you dey about this Champions League this season with the way this Liverpool team they perform? How confident you dey?
I think for now, I'm certain that we don't already go semi-final with we won't, even though we play our second team, which I don't think Liverpool will have a second team. Everybody's good. On next week, we'll still go semi-final. So Bayern Munich, we read my Valencia. We don't know who will come out there, but I think 70% Bayern Munich needs to win that game. They are the favorites. So if we play them for semi-final, I think we have won them before. So there's no threat. There's no fear about Bayern Munich. There's no fear. So, but we still need to play very well. But I'm seeing Liverpool in the final already. I don't know where we are going to meet. Either it's Real Madrid or Man City. But Man City now, the game when I see just now, I don't know if they can play well when they go to Atletico Madrid home there and get it, because those people are really very hard in their home, Atletico Madrid. But I know I'm seeing us. They see us for final, and I know we will reach final. But I never know if we are going to win the Champions League. But for now, I know we are going to get to the final.
All right, now I got Piero. Thank you for your time, and we hope see you and all the Ogbonge Liverpool fans when I go enjoy this victory, and hopefully we'll go see how this Liverpool team will continue to perform for the Champions League. I got Piero, you too much. Good.